All right, YouTube. While I'm taking a break on my Impala build, I got married and then I had to buy my wife something. She wanted a SUV, so I bought her a Mercedes truck. We're gonna do a few things to it. We're gonna clean it up. I got it over here at my shop. See a lot of auto designs. This is what I do for a living, auto upholstery. The other stuff is what I do on the weekends, but this is what I do. This is how I make my money here. A bunch of seats that I'm working on. So, yeah, that's what I do for a living, but we're gonna buff out the headlights. I'm gonna redo these two bottom parts, redo these two seats, fix that armrest, new headliner, and then I'm gonna put her a 10-inch screen here and put her system, take her system out of her car and put it in the trunk of this. And then she'll be good to go. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna start off with the headlights first. Try to get this little yellow tint. Can't really see it in the camera, ain't picking it up, but it's a yellow little tint at the top. And this one is clear. Just a bottle of water, some 1200. I'm probably gonna step it up to 2000 and then re-clear them. So this one is already clear and I still gotta put the clear coat on it. So I just tape it all up, spray clear on it. All right, I got the seat out the truck, the passenger seat. I have to fix, I think I'm gonna fix these two. Fix these two. I cut this out so I can match it up at the fabric store, but this is how it was. And then this one, you're not gonna be able to get that dirt out of the grain, so I'm gonna fix them too. But this is the new fabric. This is the new fabric. Matches pretty good, especially when the rest of it is cleaned up. All right, I got this seat done. Cleaned it up a little bit, but once everything is done, then I'll really detail everything in the truck. But got it stitched up. Look like nothing ever happened. All right, we're installing the sound system. I'm running all the wires here. I had to put spacers on these speakers here. I'm just changing the front speakers out because the rear speakers is riveted in from the back, and I'm not doing all that. And I'm changing these out. I put spacers back here to keep it off the window. And then just running all the wires. Have it all back here so we can get it all done. All right, it's the next day. A little update. Got the speaker in. It's all wired up. The amp is on the back side. Got everything wired up there. Got the front door speakers in. Front door speakers is in. Put two 6.5 dB drives. They're gonna go on the amp. I put a new window switch in. I had to put the spacer to keep it off the window. Still got to finish this seat, and that'll be done. I can button everything up. Waiting on the radio to come in, the Apple Play radio to come in the mail. And I'm just pre-wiring everything. I got everything pre-wired, so as soon as the radio come in, it'll be done. Wiring up the backup camera now. Backup camera. And I mounted the box to the back of the seat instead of the floor because the spare tire is here. So still. So if we get a flat, we'll be able to lift up the whole thing like that. And you don't have to move. We ain't got to unscrew the box. It'll lift up with the seat. So that was good. But yeah, I'm gonna wire this. I got a wire. Run the wire through here, then all the way to the front, and that'll be done. Vacuuming out this filthy carpet. Had to do this side 4 times, but it ain't gonna all come clean. Especially if the water start coming back clear after you done scrub it and it's still clear, then it ain't gonna come. That's it. The back is pretty good, but we're gonna put some new floor mats down anyway. But I want to get the sides and stuff clean. All right, finally got this thing done. Finally got it done and cleaned up for her. It's been about a week since I bought it. Re-cleared the headlights. Swapped it out to LEDs. Cleaned the interior. Fixed the front 2 seats. The LEDs in there. Got our little speakers and stuff. Got it super clean. Got her 10-inch screen in there. Got a little 10-inch screen. Mounted the USB ports right here. So I cut these holes out. Just mounted them right there for her. So she said, take me back to your place. Ooh, your place of residence. So she said, take me back to your place. Ooh, your place of residence. This was the most important thing she wanted right here. That's all she talked about, was having that. And tell me what's your favorite part.
Huh?
Tell me what your favorite part is.
Tell you what my favorite part is?
Yeah.
Actually having a Mercedes truck.
Actually, mine not
You like the Kingston?
Huh?
You like it?
Yes, with mommy. Have me one right in this
No
car.
kids allowed.
Mommy!
Go on, I'm about to go for a ride.
Well, she gotta find the right song before she go.
You know?
Cause even before we hit the bedroom, I was